You always say it was a long day. A word repeated 100 times will still be wrong. A poem has been read 100 times, and it is still strange. A question that has been changed 100 times. Confusion continues.
I'm entering the high school exam room for a new test. Track, catch the moon, stay open to opportunities at Spring Mountain. In times of prosperity, embrace the fullness of summer and welcome new changes, mentors, friends, and dreams.
The night was lengthy. The fog is heavy. As you advance, a guiding light removes obstacles in your path. Life is only 100 summers. The summer solstice is here, on the longest day. Do your best to live up to all the lengths. After the storm, you can feel the rain and dew's moisture. Only by carrying the scorching sun can you become your own sun. The summer solstice happens daily, a time for dreaming. The students at Beijing Normal University Experimental High School motivated us to speak at length. Live up to the sun.
Children taking high school entrance exams. The second-class goose treasures are heading to the battlefield. Let's go.
Well, good luck in the high school entrance exam this summer. The 3rd and 4th graders in 2024.
Come on, noon class, dreams come true, and you will win the high school entrance examination.
Students, I hope you can remember this time, because it is the youth we have struggled together. Let us meet at the peak in the summer in the near future. Every one of you in Class 7 is not ordinary. You will win the high school entrance examination and keep a peaceful mind. 8th graders in Class 4 to 202 cheer for the high school entrance exam, aspiring for a bright future.
Students in 202's 4th class, aim for success in the high school entrance examination and be victorious as dark horses. Carry on for Class 10's entrance exam, aiming for the gold list. Class 11, push ahead and triumph in the high school entrance examination.
Dapeng rose with the wind one day and soared up to 90,000 miles. The children of Class 12 high school entrance examination and Class 13 hope that you will move forward bravely, go to the peak of your life, be confident and open, and run towards your own future. When a young man has Lingyunzi, he competes in the sky for thousands of miles. Class 14 of the 4th junior high school in 202, come on, born to the sun, and win every exam.
Class 16 babies.
Graduation is just the start. Thank you for meeting you. I wish you success in the high school entrance exam. Jean Feng Class 17 nominated for high school entrance exam success. Keep striving, making a difference. Good luck in Class 18, victory awaits.
I hope that you can continue to break through yourself and be a better version of yourself in the future. And I hope that you will continue to work hard in your studies and be happy in life in the future. Kids Plus. Heul.
The babies of Class 20 are just 1 year. Thanks for your time. I hope that you will be firm in your belief that your dreams will come true.
Class 21, it's time for the high school entrance test.
Self-victory and self-improvement, and share glory. Class 22 must win.
I hope the students earn the gold list title and see their dreams come true on the upcoming high school entrance exam. Be courageous and self-aware.
Note, you are 100% Teacher Liu. I wish you all the best. The high school entrance exam is progressing positively, with the teacher anticipating favorable outcomes from the students.
Come on, dear children, I hope you will continue to carry the imprint of the experiment and the blessings and expectations of the teachers. Move forward bravely, live up to your love, and go to the mountains and seas. Students, it's time to show your sword. Come on.